This is a list that we have accumulated in our office now for over 25 years. It's something we're not required to keep as a list or a database, but what we are required to do is we are required to turn over any information or potential evidence related to an officer who may have had a credibility issue in his or her past. So in order to keep track of the officers within our county, we have a large county, and in order for our attorneys in a large office to be able to access that information, we keep it as a database. Usually, the standard relates to some sort of integrity violation or untruthfulness that is documented through either an internal investigation. That's the most common we see. Another way an officer can be on the list relates to the fact that if someone's criminally charged, like an officer, just as if a citizen or civilian was charged with a crime, that would be something that would be relevant for all parties to know in any future case the officer might be participating in. Those are the most prominent types. The primary purpose of the list is to really identify people that we need to alert the defense bar to as part of our discovery obligation as somebody who could perhaps have an issue related to credibility. And then it's up to a judge in a particular case to determine whether that's actually relevant to the future hearings and proceedings or not.
As a new district attorney, would you be open to publishing the Brady list and keeping it updated so the public knows who's on it?
Well, we're certainly keeping it updated, and I certainly now it's now clearly been released to the public through you. So and any other law enforcement, or I'm sorry, any other media outlet who's received it. So for all intents and purposes, it is public.